Understanding vegetable oil, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, vegetable oil. This phrase might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning and context. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how it's used in everyday language. Let's dive in. Vegetable oil is a type of cooking oil that is extracted from various types of plants. Unlike oils derived from animals, vegetable oil comes exclusively from plant sources. Common sources include seeds, nuts, and fruits. Some popular examples are sunflower oil, olive oil, and canola oil. These oils are used in cooking for frying, baking, and as dressings. Why is vegetable oil so important in cooking? First, it's a medium for heat transfer, making it essential for frying and sautéing. It also adds flavor and texture to food, and can be a base for dressings and sauces. Additionally, vegetable oil has various health properties, depending on the type. For example, olive oil is renowned for its heart-healthy benefits. There's a wide variety of vegetable oils, each with unique characteristics. Olive oil, extracted from olives, is great for dressings and low-heat cooking. Canola oil, from canola seeds, has a neutral taste and is good for high-heat cooking. Coconut oil is known for its distinct flavor and is often used in baking and skincare. Vegetable oils vary widely across cultures. In the Mediterranean, olive oil is a staple, while in Asian cuisines, oils like sesame and peanut oil are more common. Each oil brings a unique flavor and cooking property, reflecting the dietary habits and agricultural practices of the region. That's all about vegetable oil. It's not just a cooking ingredient but a reflection of culture, health, and culinary practices. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the versatile world of vegetable oils. Happy cooking and learning!